Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I will show you how to change ringtone on this phone. Firstly, open settings, then scroll down, find sound and vibration. Here scroll down again and choose ringtone. Click allow. Here you will see standard list of pre-installed ringtones for your device, and you can use custom device for your device from music from your local files. Then just click back, and as you can see here, my ringtone it's Realme MP3, but you can't set the ringtone from Spotify or YouTube Music or Deezer because it's cached music from these applications, not downloaded. So you need to buy the music and download it in MP3 to your device, and then you will see it in ringtones item. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.